going to be learning today on weather in Igbo language, just like weather in Igbo language. So we have cold, we have hot, cloudy, we have rainy, we have snowy, we have sunny, we have windy, and we have warm. So now, cold in Igbo is called oyi, oyi, oyi. Do you get me? Okay. Hot in Igbo is called oko oko, oko oko, hot, oko oko. Cloudy, urubu. Cloud, when it wants to rain, usually cloudy, right? Cloudy, urubu. Cloudy, urubu. Cloudy, urubu. Rainy, mmiri. Rainy, mmiri. Maybe the rain is falling already, you can say the rain is falling, right? Mmiri na ezo. Mmiri na ezo. Watch my lips. Mmiri na ezo. Mmiri na ezo. Sunny, anwụ. Sunny, anwụ. Sunny, anwụ. Windy, ikuku. Windy, ikuku. Windy, ikuku. Warm, ọkụ. Warm, ọkụ. Hope you learned something today. Don't forget to click on the link in my bio. Follow my channel on YouTube. Subscribe, like, share. And I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. I do have a lovely day. Bye.